Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto. Today we're going to continue on with our beautiful series over here, Beefy. There's something I would like to talk to you guys about. So there was an illicit website that got taken down. Don't know who it is. Don't know who this person is. The person was found in Germany, and Germany seized the guy's Bitcoin who was involved with the illicit activity. I don't know what website it is. I think it's somewhat in the the lines of like something torrent based, where you could download movies and games and stuff for free, and in exchange they accept crypto donations to keep the website up and going. Someone like that got caught. Germany they seized 50,000 Bitcoin in total, which is roughly $3.5 billion right now. And then Germany's government sold $2 billion worth of Bitcoin on the spot market. So that's why everything went down like so much right now. I think Bitcoin went down roughly about $7,000, maybe even more now. It's still going down, which is absolutely insane. So if you click on it and say like show the last 7 days, you can see it happened in real time. For me, it happened yesterday. But maybe around here is when it started to happen. They just took $2 billion worth of Bitcoin and put it on 3 different exchanges, and they sold everything. So that puts everything in a panic. Everyone is panicking right now. You can see that Bitcoin was $64,000 not too long ago, maybe like 2 days ago in real time. And it went down now. It's under 60,000 for the first time in a tad. Let's just say that. So again, stuff like this is good times to buy. Now, this channel is correlated over here with you guys donating $5. And once we reach a certain number, every 10 increments of 10, I will I will then put in money into my Beefy. Goodness, sorry about that. So this is what we're doing. But right now we are on 104. So we're 6 games away technically from adding another $50. And I just think, honestly, this is a good time to buy. You know, when there's fear on the streets, it's a good time to buy. Now, I did keep my eye on this wallet right here, which is our Beefy, which is this whole series. And the one thing I can say, though, is that there is one outstanding project out of all of this, and it's file BNB. You can see it went down the least out of everyone. It's minus 2.78%, so it's holding stronger than others. And I think the reason being is because of the percentage that we're receiving over here. It's still 108% per year, which means if you put in $50, you get $50 a year, which is absolutely ridiculous. But to be honest, this account went down so much that I think the better option would be to be getting at least 25% of your total funds in stablecoins like USDT. There's a lot of stablecoins that is being displayed here, but I'm only going to stick to these 5 vaults for now. Maybe we'll add more later. So because I want to get more USDT, we only have 2 options here between BNB and Ethereum. Now, Ethereum gives 60%, where BNB gives 108%. So I'm gonna get more BNB over here. To be honest, I think it might be a little bit better. For me at the moment, I feel like you have one of 2 options. Number one is to focus everything you have into APY first, and then after that get into the safer projects or the bigger ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Or get into yield, right, from the get-go. I just think if we can increase this number over here, we're receiving 50 cents per day, 57 a daily yield, 57 cents. If we can increase this to like, I don't know, $2 per day, then it's going to be already like a substantial amount. And it's going to help so much to keep you in a positive. Compared to going to Bitcoin, you receive a lot less, right? We receive 41%. It is a lot less than 100%, right? It's 60% less. So for now, that's what I think we're going to do. And yeah, I'll work a little bit ahead of time here, but it's okay. I just think right now is an extremely good time to buy. And it might become even cheaper later. But yeah, I think this is just a good time for me to get in a little bit more. So we're going to go to USDT BNB. I'm going to click on this. And like I said, I want 25%. You can see also the green bar over here is every time we receive interest rate, how that is accumulating. So the accumulation is actually pretty often, and also it compounds in itself. So it's it's a decent, steadily trend upwards. Now the price is something different, but like you can always see you're getting more and more of that said coin, meaning that it compounds in itself and it will just increase itself over time as well. So right now I'm gonna just purchase more of this, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Just give me a second. Let's try and get as close to as $50 as we can. That is a good number right there because it's roughly 50 cents to get in. But let me just do that. Give me 1 second. And there we go. We put in another $50 here. And now you can't even see the green bar moving. So, but yeah, it's kind of crazy how much crypto went down literally in like a few transactions. It's crazy. But yeah, if there's blood in the streets, that's normally when you want to buy. When everyone's like, fearful, that's when you should be like, hey, it's a discount. It's time to put in some more. And that's honestly what I'm doing right now. And I would highly recommend you guys do the same. This is the time where you make profit, is when stuff like this is happening. It's being served right now on a golden platter. And you just don't, like, everyone is fearful right now except for two people that I know of, right? It's Michael Saylor. He's going to keep buying. And then obviously BlackRock also. The two companies that is going to accumulate all the Bitcoin and is going to leave us with almost nothing. So just keep that in mind, that you do not want to sell right now. It's a very bad time to be fearful. It is the time to be accumulating instead of like, moving your funds even. Just the best thing you can do is buy more. The average thing that you should do is just hold on longer. Like, the thing is that people need to understand, it's not about how long, sorry, it's not about the timing the market. Like times like these when it's a little bit of a discount, this is timing the market. The time inside the market is where you're going to make money. It's how long you are in it. And especially if you are receiving interest rate, which is close to like 100%, that's going to be ridiculous over time in the next 5 to 10 years. The number will be so crazy. You'll be earning more interest at that point than what you invest, right? It's if I do $50 a month, I'll be receiving more than that over the next 5 years if I don't move these funds out, if I just keep it inside. So just keep that in mind, guys. We're in here for the long term. Stuff might look a little bit dark right now. We should be on $550. So you can see we are about $30 in the negative. We did put in another $50. Let me just click over here. USDT BNB. It's this pool right here. I wanted to see how much I put in again. You can see the USDT amount is actually very small. It's 12%. So it's very, very tiny. But the main goal for me is I want to reach 25% stable. And that's going to give you that little bit more stability when it comes to your investments. I actually didn't think about this because I just want to be all in, crypto. But it's better to have that stable asset as well when it at least shows the dollar value. Now, the thing is, if stuff is going to go up, obviously the USDT BNB is going to go up slower than the others. But the others is there to, keep you at bay when it comes to investments turning around and becoming more profitable. So just keep that in mind. In my opinion, it's just right now it's a time to buy. When you go to a shop and it says 20% off, that is the time you want to actually spend some money. It's not when it's at its all-time high. So yeah, that is just my opinion. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you most probably next month when I finish the next 10 games. Oh my goodness, it's going to be a long time.